Hiya, Mr. Sweeney again. Okay, so this is the second video in drawing techniques, alright? So this one's about shading, alright? So I'll get straight to it, okay? So what shading can do is it can help bring a drawing to life a little bit. It can help lift it off the page and make it look a bit more real, okay? So quite a good presentation technique. Anyway, here we go. So I do hope you've been practicing your drawing of your 3D boxes. Okay, so I've done a couple here. If you haven't seen the video, then you need to go back to the first video where I talk about how to do this. Okay, it's all about parallel lines. Yeah, remember the parallel lines. You'll see this box is slightly larger than this one. That doesn't matter. I just, you know, anyway, there we are. So there's a couple of techniques. All right, if you should have this on your practice sheet, your worksheet. And if you can draw your own boxes, you can draw as many as you like and practice this technique. So the first one is the parallel line technique. Okay, so 3 faces on this this box here, and what we're going to do is we're going to shade each one using parallel lines. Now, can I do this with this ruler? So I'm going to do this one here. I'm going to the top of the box. I'm going to make some quite large spaced parallel lines. Okay, and I'm just sliding the ruler carefully so that it is parallel each time. Well, you can see I messed up a little bit there, so not to worry. This side I'm going to put the parallel lines a little bit closer together. Alright, a little bit closer together, and just do them all the way down the side of that box. This is good practice actually for using your ruler. Remember what I said about spreading your fingers out. And then this side here, I'm going to, what am I going to do? I'm going to put them mega close together, but I'm going to go, oh, am I going to go this way? Let's see, I'm going to experiment and see what happens by going this way. So I've also changed the orientation. You see what I mean by that? Is each set of lines is going a different way to the lines on the other faces. Yeah. So these ones I could probably even put them even closer together, but I'm not going. I'm just going to try and keep them. Now I'm trying to keep them even. Can you see those ones are evenly wide? Those are evenly closer, and these are trying my best to make these ones just like, you know, just to maybe 2 millimeters apart all the way down. So a little bit of patience. Alright, to do this, okay, but we can't be far away now from the bottom of the box. I can see it coming into, well, I can't see it, but you know what I'm saying. There we go, we're nearly there, and yep. Oh, well, not quite, a few more to go, and you can see I've gone a little bit squiffy there, but that's okay, no problem with that. Alright. I'm not going to be too hard on myself. I think that's quite a good little job actually. I'm quite pleased with that. Let's just fill that one in there. Yeah. Say, you don't have to be perfect. We're after practicing. So that's quite good. So there's one using the ruler. All right. Good practice for your parallel lines. This one over here is 3 tones. Okay. So I'm going to use the same pencil. You could use different types of pencil if you wanted to. You know, if you were doing it in colour, you could use 3 different shades of green. But I'm just going to do this by the top of the box. I'm just going to try and shade the top of the box ever so lightly. Just using the edge of the pencil. Can you see I've got the pencil led down a little bit? And I'm just going to sort of just shade that evenly, if I can, a bit. Alright. Up the edges, try and be tidy. Alright. This side I'm going to press a little bit harder. Now, I've actually got another video coming up, okay, where you're going to practice this technique a bit more. So you might want to come back to this shading idea. All right, now look, can you see what I'm trying to do? I'm trying to keep my pencil movements all in the same direction. Yeah, I'll come back to that in a second. All right, and then this one here, I'm going to go quite hard. I'm going to sort of make it block. Yeah, I'm pressing quite hard. Pencil still led down. All right. Now I might need to sharpen my pencil in a minute because I've been doing a lot of shading with it, rubbing it. Now look, I'm trying to keep the pencil going up and down, alright? Because what starts to happen, if I start now going a different way and just trying to do it that way, can you see what's happened? It's sort of, it's spoiled it a little bit, yeah? Just trying to get to the edges. Anyway, there's two different shading techniques, okay? Have a practice at those. Do them more than once. And then if you're feeling brave, try shading different types of shapes, not just cubes, all right? Or shade lots of cubes and make other patterns with it. Anyway, it's all about practice, all right? So there's another shading. That's a drawing. I mean, shading techniques. All right, have a little go and see how you get on with it. All right. Thanks very much.